Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to use Perplexity Deep Research to generate detailed, well-structured, and evidence-based reports for your research questions. So let's get started. Deep Research is designed for those moments when a quick answer isn't enough. Instead of skimming a few pages, it runs many searches, reads a wide range of sources, and reasons step by step to produce a detailed, structured report. Think of it as a research assistant that synthesizes complex information into a clear, evidence-backed overview. To get started, open your browser and head to Perplexity AI. You can browse freely, but Deep Research itself requires you to sign in or create an account. If you're on the free plan, you'll need to upgrade your plan to access Deep Research. Once you're logged in and ready, look at the search bar near the top. You'll see a small drop-down menu that usually says Auto by default. This is the search mode selector. Click that drop-down and choose Deep Research before you type anything. Selecting it first ensures your query is routed through the deeper, more methodical process, rather than a standard quick response. Now, enter your research query. The more specific and contextual your question, the better the results. Include any constraints that matter to you, like a time frame, industry, or outcome you care about. Clarity helps the system retrieve relevant sources and build a report that actually answers the question you have in mind. Submit your query and give it some time. Deep Research typically takes around 2 to 4 minutes because it's analyzing many sources, cross-checking information, and organizing the findings. It's normal to wait a bit longer than a regular search here. While it works, avoid reloading the page or changing modes, as that can interrupt the process. When the report is ready, you'll see a structured, in-depth answer. Expect sections that break down the topic, explanations that walk through the reasoning, and citations that link directly to the sources used. Start by scanning the overview to get the big picture, then move into the sections most relevant to your goal. If something stands out, follow the cited links to verify the details or learn more. This traceability is one of the key advantages of Deep Research because it shows you exactly where the information comes from. That's it. You now know how to use Perplexity Deep Research to create detailed, well-organized reports for any topic. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.